don't want a lot for Christmas. Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video. I take her dipped in chocolate. I took up to broke off my fingernail in my sleep. So guys, I'm going to this is gonna be like a morning to I broke off another one. Morning routine, so I'm going to make my bed, turn off the lamp. I'm gonna make my bed, fix up the closet, sweep out the room, fix up my dresser, go eat something, and then I'm going to brush my teeth. So let's do it. Street Miranda, I'm trying to sometime. I'm in your city tonight, and these lights make me feel so inspired. Going higher and higher and higher. Going higher and higher. So guys, it's Boxing Day. I don't know what we're gonna do for Boxing Day, but you guys want to walk. Yeah. So guys, right there. There's a girl walking my TV. So we're in for the streets. We're in for the streets and show you. This girl in for the streets. This girl is wifey type. Put my nails, wifey type. Wifey type. Purr. So I'm gonna just fix my suitcase and my fix up here. So she said she ain't wifey type. So yeah, this can just stay right here. And I'm gonna just push these up and fix this. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up everything else and show you guys. Yeah, everything all set. So I'll go in my suitcase, take out some things I'm about to wear today, and I'm gonna go brush my teeth and take a shower. Yeah, say well and say I'll play something with it. So I'm gonna just take up this. Okay guys, so I'm cooking breakfast for the entire family. Cooking egg and bread and scrambled egg and boiled egg, everything. So watch me while I go, because I'm just like hella tired. Yeah. Yo, it's everything in this bathroom for me. Like this bathroom, I have somewhere to hold my phone. Like it's not really wasn't made to hold my phone, but I'm gonna use it to hold my phone. And has about as charging ports. Like oh my god. Like every bathroom I went to, some of them do have charging ports, but this has it in the right place. Like I can take a shit and you have a charging port right near to the toilet. Like, I don't have to move. Sorry, guys, I'm sick. I'm sorry, I'm in yet. So guys, it's bathing time, so I'm gonna go take a shower. Peace out. You can't see, so why are you looking? Yeah, so I finished and I've dried off, and I used some of this to moisturize my face. Yeah, because I have a pimple, so let's rub it over it. So I'm going to put on my bathing suit because we're going to the beach. Oh my god, I'm gonna slip off on camera. I'm gonna just go put on clothes. Yeah. So who's gonna ask these? This bath suit is from Shein. I'm gonna use this to moisturize my skin. Wash your tickers in my back, girl. So this.
What? Hey. Okay, guys. So. Nah, not really. Waves? You want waves to be here? Oh, you know want cool off? You know. She ain't gonna cool off before she go in the water, guys. Okay, guys, so we're at a okay, we're like a free beach. Like the park is closed, but we come here, just walk over. I'm gonna just let somebody like do a trick for us. You gonna jump again? You gonna jump? Just don't die this time. wait, I'ma just stay over here so I can see you fall in the water. Oh shit, please don't make me fall though. Come Ina. Yeah. I don't know. No, you right there, you're gonna jump from. No, I know. Thank you. This water looks so good. Yeah. I don't want to bring this phone too far because it's not mine. I left my phone at home because it's dead every minute and I need. Hi.
Everybody else try to find a way in here, eh? Yeah. People gotta go swim, shit.
I don't know how they found their way.
That side though.
Oh man, I see them see us down here. And they just have to jump over the fence. But them scared the fence. Yeah, you got me?
Yeah.
They were all plenty of fun.
No.
Is that gonna your shoulder again? Yeah. Alright, come back. Alright, one. Kick it up. Hold on, wait. You good? Yeah. Keep going.
Let me try.
That's all my fancy.
Let me try.
Like this?
Yeah. Next time I'm gonna play solo. Don't drop me hands on here.
Climb like a crab mandatory. Huh? Man, the camera the other way, ain't it? This how she give it to me.
Want to record?
You want me to turn it around? You want me to turn it around?
Yeah.
This one?
No,
Okay.
it's right over here. Not this way.
Or this?
Yeah. It's coming to me. It's coming. Yeah, it's
No,
not.
turn towards you.
Did it?
Yeah.
No, money. The phone.
Money, you gotta watch the phone.
One. Go down more.
It's not waterproof?
I'm going in the water. Don't hold on. Wait.
Oh, Lord.
Go. One.
Come. Climb like climb a mango tree.
There you go.
There you go. I got you. Wait. Okay, come on. You had it.
Remember you two.
Here, come in my hand. Oh yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
You got it. Get on her shoulder. Just get on her shoulder. Yeah.
I'm about to cheeks them. Big bumper, yeah.
Woo! Fucking get on.
You want to get on it? Come on.
Girl, make me see your body rider.
I can't Close enough. Come here, auntie. If you're there, you can't hear me vibing home.
I have it turned. What the hell? I missed that. I missed that. Makhalia, is it on?
Yeah. It's on.
Is it?
Yeah. Turn it this way.
Funky, I missed that one. That was
What you was doing?
She's trying to get up. Oh. Don't splash the money because you can hold on to it, but don't splash. Because the phone.
Oh, 2 scrunchies in here. You can break the here.
What you have scratch in your eye? Oh, school scrunchie. Go on, man. You can walk.
And that's not what they're doing when you go in the eye.
That's how stress I reach me.
What do you mean by stress or reach? You're too young to have stress. Oh, stress or reacher. I know.
Your hair is cream.
Listen to her.
No.
Listen to her.
I'm no more.
She getting out of the water for a minute because she needs some air.
I don't want to her. But our father is walking casually. What is
It's a fish. Fish a man.
All them think about is fish, catching fish.
Yeah, that water.
Guys, I can't swim. I only can doggy paddle. Look. I can't swim. But I can save myself.
You can save yourself. You can save yourself from what?
With some doggy paddles.
What do you like?
There's a lot of planes. See plane are coming there, guys.
Oh.
Yeah. There's about 4 planes to see from our 5.
That looks like a Southwest airline coming in for landing.
Yeah.
Woo! We have a private beach. This is what we paid for.
Rich.
Real rich.
This is rich.
This is what we paid for.
Yeah. Oh, see now there's a spectate the water like a lifeguard.
Looking for more fish. Huh?
Where did that plane come from in the world?
Oh, that's Spirit. That's one of the airline coming in.
That's one of that probably.
Spirit! No. Yes.
Spirit.
No, she's not on Spirit. She was on Spirit. Alex was on Spirit. Was supposed to be on Spirit.
Oh.
And he got cancelled.
So why name Spirit? That's so creepy.
They say it's yellow too.
I become a spirit. They got too much turbulence.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
They're gonna be on JetBlue.
Your eyes. Yeah, my eyebrows.
Chemicals, am I running that?
They're coming on JetBlue.
JetBlue?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
At 3.
Oh, they land in Montego too.
Yeah, no. It's Kingston.
Oh.
Okay, Makhalia, here, go take your phone from me. Let me go
Yeah.
enjoy myself. I need some, come on, I need some time to the water.
Oh.
Camera time.
I need camera time.
Camera time.
Shake it what your mama give you.
Somebody.
Woo! It must be you.
Guys, we're having a blast. Oh, so I said we can go on that though, Ratty. No. Them I got one money.
Yeah, of course. We got a boat that take you out. I went on a drinking boat one time.
Oh.
From the hotel.
Oh.
Man, we went to, they drink from we start to finish, going and coming.
Come in. Oh.
Like when you get off the boat, get off the skin vomit.
Oh.
So punk it up.
Punky? Oh. The salt water catcher in our eyes, guys. Punky not going further than right there. She's another plane. See, about 10 planes from morning. Yeah.
I can touch my tippy toes right here.
Oh,
It's a girl deep in. Yeah.
I can't stop no more.
You can't. Oh.
fuck it. We don't tell them, you're not coming on.
We paid for this. Wait. Let me go put on this. Yeah, recording.
Come on. Mark, set, go.
Woo! Hey, cool.
Phone over there.
Y'all ready to drive the boat?
Yeah.
No. Hey, move
It's
it up.
coming in my eyes.
Come on. See him what?
I just grew an inch.
Hey. Make sure you see look at them now. You see look at them behind there.
Come on. You gonna come there with your lollipop?
Make it sweeter.
Come on. No, don't jump in that part. You gonna miss your leg. Come right here. I'll catch you. Come on. You gotta jump. Just jump from right here.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. All right.
Try to kill me.
So guys, we're out here. This is our vibe. Not like no out here. Cause we just there our vibe. You know. So what a nice little meditation would be. Kingston 6 to Kingston 62 and yeah. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when your girl upload another video. So love you guys. Thank you for watching. Blowing at them face.
Peace out.
Blowing at them face.
Wait.
Yeah.
Can't even see nothing.
Wasn't comfortable.
Oh, I need to eat something now.
Does anybody want to know what the new lollipop is?
Good.
It's the liquor stick.
Liquor stick. Liquor.
Chatty pop.
Look, Frank's gonna be zooming on it.
I can't believe I said goat chuck though. I called a girl goat chuck. I said that. Oh,
No, she was bigger, she was heavy, and she couldn't really climb the hill. She said, go get the goat truck. Pull
Gee.
her up. I felt so bad for the girl, but...
Come on, I was small, so even that made it more funnier.